Good morning. Welcome to day number 2 on our journey to a clean home in 21 days. And today is all about you and getting yourself ready for the day. So this is a huge one for stay-at-home moms. Let's get out of those pajamas, out of those dirty sweatpants, put on something comfortable, something clean. You don't have to look fancy. Wash your face, brush your hair, put on makeup if you want to put on makeup. Just get yourself ready for the day. I promise by getting dressed, you will feel ready to go, ready to work, ready to get something done. And for me, it's the start of every productive day. I'm gonna get myself ready to go for the day right now.
I don't set my clothes out the night before. I just pick something out that I feel like wearing for the day. The last thing I put on is my pair of indoor shoes. I don't wear these outside. It's not mandatory that you dress to shoes. I like to wear them because there are crumbs all over my house and it's more comfortable for me. I also really try to make an effort to put a little bit of makeup on my face and do my hair. It just makes me feel like I'm finished and ready for the day. But however you want to get ready or whatever look you're going for, as long as you're washing your face, running a comb through your hair, there are no rules around what you look like. You just want to feel good about yourself and feel like yourself. So this is what makes me feel like me, putting on a little bit of makeup, doing my hair, and wearing clothes that are clean and comfortable.
Okay, so there we go. Didn't take long. I'm dressed. I've got a little bit of makeup. My hair is done. The trick to making this really easy and simple is 1, do it every day so it becomes a habit, and 2, get yourself into a routine that takes, 5 minutes or less. I don't spend more than 5 minutes on my makeup or my hair. I just pick out something comfortable. I don't have to look perfect. As long as my clothes are clean and they fit well and they're comfortable, I am good to go for the rest of the day. Now it doesn't matter if I need to run an errand or someone pops over. I don't have to quickly, put pants on or a bra on. I know you've been there. I've been there too. And we're ready to go for the day. Day 2, we are gonna shine our sink again and get dressed to shoes so you're ready to go for anything. I'm gonna make sure to check mine off on the daily checklist so I know I got it done, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 3. You are doing awesome. Let's just keep going.
All right, day number 2. So day number 2 is at the top there. We're getting dressed to shoes in the morning, and then tonight, shining up your sink for that second check mark, and we're done for day number 2. Thank you so much for joining me on this 21 days to a clean home journey. I know you're going to see a huge difference in your house and in your life. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along to the end of the series and let me know how you're making out with your progress.